Hi everyone, welcome back to the Tesgo Bike Club. This is the Tesgo Explorer, a powerful and versatile electric bike that is designed with your safety in mind. Today we'll talk about its braking system, lights, tyres and some safety tips. Let's start with the braking system. The Explorer's hydraulic disc brakes gives a reliable and responsive braking in any weather condition. However, it's important to remember that the brake system requires regular maintenance and upkeep to ensure its optimal performance and longevity. This includes checking the brake pads for wear and tear and ensuring that the brake system is clear of debris and dirt. Also, that the brake cables are properly adjusted and ensuring that the brake system is free of contaminants. By regularly maintaining your brake system, you can ensure that your brakes provide optimal stopping power when you need it. Moving on to the lights, the Explorer's powerful front LED headlight and rear reflector provide maximum visibility and enhance your safety. However, it's important to remember that lights are only effective when used correctly. This means turning your lights on at dusk or in dawn and low light conditions. The Explorer's powerful LED headlight and rear reflector gives maximum visibility and enhances your safety. However, it's important to remember that lights are only effective when used correctly. This means turning on your lights when riding in low light conditions, such as at dawn or dusk, and ensuring your lights are properly aimed and aligned. In addition, it's important to use reflective clothing for accessories, such as a reflective vest or ankle straps, to further enhance your visibility to other drivers. Now, let's talk about the tyres. The Explorer's 26-inch 4.0 fat tyres offer excellent traction and durability, enhancing your bike's stability and safety while riding. However, it's important to remember that tyre pressure and condition greatly affects your bike's performance and safety. Make sure to regularly check the tyre pressure and inflate your tyres to the recommended level. Additionally, inspect your tyres for any cuts, punctures or other damage and replace them if necessary. By properly maintaining your tyres, you can ensure that your bike provides a smooth and safe ride. Finally, let's discuss some important tips for safe and enjoyable riding. First, always wear a helmet. A helmet can greatly reduce the risk of a head injury in the event of an accident. Second, always follow traffic rules and regulations, such as stopping at stop signs and traffic lights, using hand signals to indicate turns, and riding in the designated bike lanes or on the correct side of the road. Third, beware of your surroundings and always be prepared to react to the unexpected, any obstacles or hazards on the road. This means keeping a safe distance from other vehicles, watching for pedestrians, animals, and anticipating changes in the road conditions or weather. Your safety is our top priority, and the Tesgo Explorer is equipped with various features to ensure a worry-free and safe ride. And so thank you for listening to today's discussion, and thank you for choosing the Tesgo Explorer, and happy riding.